All right, so here is our 8.2 Go Math lesson for today. We are focusing on breaking apart numbers to subtract. So, as I said before, we're doing a lot of subtraction in this unit. It says, draw jumps on the number line to show how to break apart the number to subtract. Well, let's read the question so we know what we're going to subtract. It says have children draw jumps on the number line to solve, and that means that we're going to draw the jumping back, right? Because when we subtract, do we jump forward? Do we jump back? We jump back. Very good. Mrs. Hill had 45 paintbrushes. She gave 9 brushes to the students in her art class. How many paintbrushes does Mrs. Hill have now? So Mrs. Hill had 45, and then she gave away 9. So we're going to write 45, take away 9. And then starting at 45, we're going to jump back 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many does she have left?
36.
36. So you're going to write equals 36. Okay, so the next problem says, how many paintbrushes does Mrs. Hill have now? Repeat the same problem for 72, take away 7. Oops, so let's do 72, take away 7 on the second one. So we have to write out the problem first. 72, take away 7. So we're going to start on what number?
72.
And we're going to jump back how many times?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 72, take away 7 is what? 65. Very good. Our last problem says 53, take away 6. So I have 53 paintbrushes and I give away 6 equals what? Start at 53, go back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number is that? 47. Very good. Very easy, easy, easy. Schmeezy, lemon squeezy. All right, let's keep reading. It says break apart the number you are subtracting into tens and ones. Subtract 10. Next, subtract 2 to get to 60. Then subtract 5 more. We have 72, take away 17. That's 10 plus 7 is 17. And then 7, oh my gosh, now they're going to break it apart more. 7 is 2 plus 5. So 72, take away 17. So they did 72, take away 10 is 62. And then 62, take away 2 is 60. And then 60, take away 5 is 55. Wow, they broke that apart like super. All right. Break apart the number you are subtracting, write the difference. So this is the same thing we did in the last lesson, but now we're going to break it a little more. So the first step we're going to do is we want to make this 43 a 40. So we have to write 3 here. And then we're going to ask ourselves 3 plus what is 18? Dominic? 15. Very good. And then you're going to draw another arrow. And then what plus what? 10 plus what is 15?
5.
Everyone?
5.
Good. 10 plus 5. Okay, now that I've done the 2 arrows, now I have to say, well, 43 take away 3 is what? 40. And then 40 take away 15. So 40 take away 10 is 30. And then 30 take away 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. So this is a different way to do the same subtraction. So if you want to do it the long way, 43 take away 18, start on 43 and go back 18. Let's do it the long way real fast, and I'm going to show you how you get the same answer. 43, and then let's go back 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You see I get the same number? But they want, this is what you did in first grade. In first grade, you did it this baby easy way. In second grade, you need to start doing it this way where you break apart the second number. So 45, take away 14. What is the number I'm going to write here? 5. Good job, Dustin. 5 plus what is 14?
10.
Give everybody a chance. 5. Give everybody a chance. 5 plus 10 is not 14. 5 plus 10 is 15. What is it, Rena? 9. 5 plus 9. Good job, Rena. Now we can say 45, take away 5 is 40. Good job. And then 40, take away 9 is 40 going back 9. Well, think about it. What's 40 take away 10? 30. And then plus 1, 31. So 40 take away 9 is, and I'll show you that. 40 and then going back 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 31. Yes, Amariah? Yes, you can. Okay, moving on. We have 46, take away 17. So here we're going to draw a little triangle arrow thing. And then we're going to draw what number here?
6.
We're going to write number 6 here. Very good. Now 6 plus what is 17? 6. Leah? Renaya? 11. Very good. And then now we're going to break apart 11 because it's a 2-digit number. So 10 plus what is 11? 10 plus 1. Good job. 10 plus 1. Okay, so now we're going to do 46. Take away 6 is 40. And then 40 take away 10 is 30. And then 30 take away 1 is 29. Good job. So your answer is 29. Da-da-da-da. All right, let's look at this next one. We have a 4 in the ones place. So what do you think we're going to write here?
4.
4. 4 plus what is 16? How do I figure that out? Miss Yusuf, how does everybody figure that out so fast? You just count up from 4 and you see how many. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is that? 12.
I was going to say that.
And then we have to break apart 12. 10 plus what is 12?
2.
10 plus 2 is 12. So the first step is like we've always been doing. 44, take away 4 is 44. 40. Good. You guys should answer that fast. 40. And now 40, take away 10 is 30. And now 30, take away 2 is 28. 30, take away 2 is 28. It seems like, Miss Yusuf, you're making this harder or you're putting too many steps. But really, when you put it in more steps, it's easier to subtract because it makes the facts easier to remember. Okay. I'm going to ask you to do number 5 through 8 by yourself. 5 through 8 by yourself. You guys want me to help you with the arrow part? Okay, we'll do the arrow part together, and then I want you to do the rest by yourself. What goes here, class?
7.
7 plus what is 15? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is it?
8.
8. 57 take away 7 is 50, and now 50 take away 8 is... Miss Yusuf, how come you didn't draw another arrow here like we did on the top? Because 8 is a one-digit number, so that's easy. If this second number is a two-digit number, then you're going to have to break it some more. So 50 take away 8, use your number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is it? 42. I told myself I wasn't going to give you the answer, and here I am doing that. Okay. 17. 3 plus what is 17?
14.
Good job. 14. Here you have to break apart the 14. So 14 is 10 plus what?
4.
10 plus 4. So 63 take away 3 is...
0.
No, 63 take away 3 is 60. And then 60 take away 10 is 50. And then 50 take away 4 is... Let's see, 50, go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 46. Good job, Rena. Okay, let's do, oh, I'm sorry. Some of you guys aren't done writing. Okay, let's do the arrow part. Six, 8 plus what is 19?
11.
Good job, 11. And then 10 plus 1 is 11, right?
Yeah.
So 60 take away 8 is... 68 take away 8 is... What's 68 take away 8? 60, good. And then 60 take away 10 is... 50. And then 50 take away 1 is... Don't say it out loud. Let everyone solve that on their own. Okay, the next one. 1 plus what is 18? That should be easy. Rena?
17.
Good job. 17. And what plus what makes 17? 10 plus 7. Good job. Now we do the easy part. 61 take away 1 is 60. And then 60 take away 10 is 50. Oops, I can't write that. There we go. 50. And then 50 take away 7 is your answer. Don't shout it out. All right, I did write this down a little fast, so if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, I'm going to move on. Let's watch Professor Berger and see if Professor Berger can simplify this lesson for us.
Hey, Professor Berger!
Hey, Joey.
I'm back from Jane's house, and she has a question she was hoping we can solve.
Oh, sure. Should we take a look at it together?
Yeah!
Okay, here's the question. Jane has 45 toys.
Yes, she did.
Okay, and they're all in a box.
Yep, they
Now,
are.
she takes some toys out. Okay, now there are 22 toys in the box.
Ooh.
22 toys.
22 toys in the box, folks.
Question is, how many toys did Jane take out of the box?
Oh. Well, that's what we need help with.
Okay, let's think about it. It really is a question of subtraction. Because if you think about it, we have 45 in total, and now there are 22, so she took out some number, and we could find that by simply taking the 45 and now removing the 22 that are still in the box, and that difference, whatever that equals, that's going to tell us how many she took out of the box.
Those are pretty big numbers there, Professor.
They are, Big Joey, and that can be kind of scary, and so let's use the break-apart strategy to make it a lot easier.
Oh, yeah, show that to me again.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the 22, that's what we have to now take away from the 45,
Right.
and I'm going to now just break it apart. And I'm going to break it apart and say, well, that's just 20
Okay.
plus 2.
Oh, right.
But you know what? I still think those are big numbers. That 20 still looks kind of scary to some people.
Yeah, it can be.
So let's break it apart to 10 and 10.
Wow.
So we have 10 plus 10 is 20, and 20 plus 2 is 22.
Oh, cool.
So all we have to do is think of a number line. I'll bring one right in here.
Yeah,
And all we have to do is start at 45,
right.
and then first jump backwards by 10,
Uh-huh,
skip another 10 back,
right.
and then just skip another tiny 2 back, and we'll have our answer.
Oh, well, let's do it.
Okay, good, fun. Let's do it together. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to see 45. That's way over here on the right. So that's where we're going to start.
That's pretty, yeah.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to now hop back 10.
Pretty
So
far over there, 45.
I know, but it's a big number. Now we're going to now
10.
subtract the 10. That's right
Right.
here. So that's going to take me to 35. You ready?
Right. Hop.
Pop. And so that's the minus 10.
Okay, so that's part of the 20.
That's part of the 20. Now we're going to do the other part of the 20. So we're going to subtract
Okay.
10 again. So 35 minus 10 is going to be 25.
Yep.
So that's going to be the other minus 10.
And then we just have to minus 2.
Exactly. We're going to subtract 2. That's a little hop. Little teeny hop.
Just a little skip.
Boop, boop.
There you go.
Minus 2. And where's our answer? We see the answer is 23. And so the question is, how many toys did Jane take out? The answer is she took out 23 toys. And let me just write that to finish the number sentence and say, we see 23. So 45 minus 22 is actually equal to 23.
Oh, right. Ta-da. That sure does help a lot. You know, I better go help Jane play with all those toys.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, well, why don't you come along?
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Then let's go. Have
See
fun
you
with
later.
math. We'll see you soon.
Okay, so let's try that problem, similar to that problem. Let's look at our problem. Jane has 53 toys in a box. She takes some toys out. Now there are 36 toys in the box. How many toys did Jane take out of the box? Now I'm going to reread it and show my strategies this time. Jane has 53 toys in a box. She takes some toys out. Do we know how many? No, we know she had 53. We know when you take something out, you're subtracting, and we don't know how many she took out, so that's empty box. Now there are 36 toys in the box. So now there's 36, so equals 36. How many, let's underline the question, how many toys did Jane take out of the box? So we need to find out what goes here. 53 take away what is 36. How can we solve that problem? Can't we subtract 53 and 36? Yes. So let's try that. 53 take away 36 is what? Break this apart. I'm going to write the 3 here. Or actually, I'm going to write 30 and 6 here. Because 30 plus 6 is 36. All I did is expand that. And now 53 take away 30. 53 take away 30 is easy. If I just take 3 tens away, the 1 stays the same. If I take 3 tens away from 5, that's 2 tens, right? So that's 23. Now I just have to say 23 take away 6 is what? Let's see, 23 take away 6. Let's use our number line. Oh, we can't use that one because it doesn't have a 23. Oh, this one has a 23, but it has nothing before that. Let's go all the way up. 23. Oh, not that one either. What's our question? 23 take away 6, sorry. So let's do this one. 23 take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if this is 20, then this one is 19, 18, 17. So what is it?
17.
Good job. Let's look at number 10. Look at Tom's steps to solve a problem. Solve this problem in the same way. So 42 take away 15. Look how Tom did it. He said his was 35 take away 18. Then he did 35 take away 10 first. So we're going to do 42 take away 10 first. What's 42 take away 10? If I have 4 10s, I take away 1 10. I have 3 10s and then 1 stays the same. It's 32. Very good, Haney. And then if I say, well, 32 take away 5 is what? What's 32 take away 5, class? 27. And I know 10 plus 5 is 15, so 42 take away 10, then take away 5. The answer should be 27. Okay, if you need time to write this down, go ahead and write it down. Now, pause the video now. Okay, so moving on. You guys will complete page 262 to 264 on your own. Make sure you are taking your time with this, okay? All right, if you have any questions, do let me know. Have fun learning. See ya.